We changed the spark plugs on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata 4-cylinder. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is take out the engine cover, and then you can get your spark plug exposed here, or the ignition coils. So you want to just pull this red tab back, and then you can press down on this black tab and just pull the whole thing out. Do that for all 4 of them. The bolts that hold in the ignition coil, I already took those out. 10mm all across. You want to kind of move this foam piece up out the way to get that one out. But once you get everything disconnected, pull up on your ignition coil, get that out of the way. It's all 4. You got your spark plugs. Just go ahead and snatch them all out. Get yourself a 16mm spark plug socket, or you can just use a standard 16mm and probably use like a magnet or a hose to get the spark plugs out once they're loose. All right, here's our old plug. It was NGK. The customer went with Bosch this time, so we're gonna be putting in these spark plugs here. Make sure you don't over tighten them. You get them hand tightened, then quarter turn, and you'll be good. All right, so you just get the new spark plug, drop it in there. Then you drop it in, just grab your extension socket, and you hand tighten it. So it can't go anymore. All right, it's pretty much bottomed out by hand. So you're just gonna grab your ratchet and give it a quarter turn. And that's it. I've already got all the other ignition coils snapped in place, so I'm just gonna show you how to do this one. But you just grab ignition coil, line it up, make sure those threads are lined up. Then you grab your 10mm bolt and lock it back in place. Make sure that's snug. And then you just grab your connector here, snap it in, push the red tab back down. Do that for all of them. And just repeat those same steps for all 4 spark plugs. Put the ignition coil back in, bolt back in, put your tab back. And if you have an engine cover, just throw your engine cover back on. Make sure it snaps in place. You'll be done. So that's how you replace the spark plugs on the 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Till next time, guys, Slow Car Repairs. Peace.